everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for delicious pumpkin chocolate chip cookies made with a spice cake mix. This recipe is really easy to put together and only takes about 20 minutes to bake. So take a minute to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need to make these cookies. 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 1 beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 spice cake mix, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice if desired, and 1 bag of chocolate chips. In a large mixing bowl, combine the pumpkin puree, the eggs, and vanilla extract. Add the extra pumpkin spice and the spiced cake mix to the wet ingredients and stir until combined. Gently stir in the chocolate chips. The dough will be very sticky. Use a cookie scoop to measure the dough and drop the cookies onto a parchment-lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Bake at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes, then remove and allow the cookies to cool on a wire rack. I hope you enjoy these pumpkin chocolate chip cookies as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description of this video, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new recipes, and I'll see you next time.